Hello children, welcome to this video. This is the third video of the chapter The Clever Rat. In the last video, we are study about meaning, opposites and other exercises that was there in the poem. Today, we are going to answer some questions to understand the text and to understand the poem. The poem was regarding a clever rat. Let us recall the poem. So children, let's recall the poem. The Clever Rat. This is a little brown rat. His name is Ratty. Ratty is on the mat. He likes to eat cheese. That is a fat black cat. Her name is Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. She wants to eat him. Ratty jumps up. He is on the fan now. Blackie jumps up too. She is also on the fan. Ratty is clever and he jumps down. But Blackie cannot jump down so fast. Ratty says bye to Blackie. Blackie looks at Ratty. Ratty runs out of the room. Blackie is still on the fan. Okay children, please read this poem. Now this was the poem and now I am going to ask some question. First question is, who likes to eat cheese? Who likes to eat cheese? Answer is Ratty. The rat likes to eat cheese. Okay children, read this answer. Ratty, the rat, likes to eat cheese. Now next question. Where is Ratty? Where is Ratty children? Ratty is on the mat. Okay children, Ratty is on the mat. Now third question. Who is Blackie? Blackie is a fat black cat. Who is Blackie children? Blackie is a fat black cat. Now fourth question. What does Blackie wants to do? What does Blackie wants to do? Blackie wants to eat Ratty, the rat. Okay children, Blackie wants to eat Ratty, the rat. Now let's go to the next question. What does Blackie do? Blackie jumps on the fan to catch Ratty. Okay children, the question is, what does Blackie do? Blackie jumps on the fan to catch Ratty. Okay. Now let's go to the next question children. Who is clever and why? Tell me children, who is clever and why? Answer is Ratty is clever. Yes, that is very smart, very intelligent. Ratty is clever because he knows Blackie cannot jump down fast from his fan, so he jumps down to save himself. Okay children, read this answer again children. Ratty is clever because he knows Blackie cannot jump down fast from he fan. So he jumps down to save himself. Okay, I hope you can understand this answer, children. The next question is, what does Ratty do when he comes down? Ratty says bye to Blackie and he runs out of the room. What does Ratty do when he comes down, children? Ratty says bye to Blackie and he runs out of the room. Okay, children, let's go to the next question, children. Where is Blackie at the end of the poem? Blackie is still on the fan. Where is Blackie at the end of the poem, children? Blackie is still on the fan. Now, children, just do all the question answers in your copy and learn it. Okay? Hello children, this is your English literature book, and just do some exercises related to the first chapter, The Clever Rat. Page number 7. Children, page number 7. The question is C3. Complete the following sentences. Complete the following sentences. You can answer. Okay, children. In this, is this a bus? See this picture, children. Is this a bus? Yes. Okay. Yes, it is. The answer is yes, it is. Okay, children. The next question is this a fan? See this picture, children. Is this a fan? No, this is a tree. So we can write here no. Is this a fan, children? No. No, it is not. Okay. Next question is this an ice cream? Look at this picture, children. Is this an ice cream? Yes. So you given the answer yes, it is. Okay, children. Now next question is this an apple? Is this an apple, children? No, this is an orange. So you can write here no, it is not. Okay, children, just do this exercise in your book. Okay, children, now just write another exercise. Complete these sentences about a rat. Use words from the strip. Okay, children, they are given the answers, hint box. Okay, and you can with the help of the hint box you can fill in the blanks. Okay, children, the first is this is a what, children? See this picture. This is a little brown rat. Okay, this is a little brown rat. Okay, this is a little brown rat. Very good. The second is it has a long, what is this, children? It has a long tail. It has a long tail. Okay. It has white. It has white, children. Yes, it has white teeth. Now, next is it likes to eat. What is this? All mice are likes to eat cheese. It likes to eat cheese. Okay, children, just do this exercise in your book, children. I hope you can understand this chapter very well. Thank you, children.